Hi everyone, in today's video you will learn how to solve for the equation of a straight line given the slope and its y-intercept. Alright, so to start with, let's have example number 1. Find the equation of the line whose y-intercept is -7 and whose slope is 4 over 3 or 4/3. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do here is to plot the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is given, so its coordinate is actually 0 and -7. So let's try to write that 0 and -7. This is the coordinate of the y-intercept, and so if we're going to plot that, we have 0 and -7. So -7 is here, so 0 and -7. So this means that the given line passes through this point in the y-axis, so 0 and -7. All right, and we are also given of the slope, which is 4/3. So the run is 3, so let's try to count 1 2 3, and the rise is 4, so 1 2 3 4. So possibly there is a point here, and this is the line that we are trying to solve its equation. Okay, so what do you think is the equation of this line, okay, given its y-intercept and slope? So let's try to write the slope is 4 over 3. All right, now let us be reminded that when we express the equation of a straight line, we express our answer in general form. So to recall, the general equation of a straight line is of the form ax plus by plus c equals 0. All right, but the y-intercept form of a straight line is of the form y equals mx plus b. All right, where m there is the slope and b is the y-intercept. All right, so let's try to solve for the equation of the line. So solving for the equation. Okay, let's have the shortcut of equation. Okay, so we have y equals mx plus b, and we are given of the slope, which is 4/3, and 4/3 x plus the y-intercept, which is -7. Okay, so we can write this as y equals 4/3 x minus 7. So to simplify this further, we can actually multiply both sides by 3. So we multiply 3 here, and then you multiply also 3 in the left side of the equation. Okay, so this will give us 3y equals, of course this will be cancelled out, so what is left is 4x minus 7. So simplifying this or expressing this in general equation of the line, then we have 4x minus 3y, all right, minus 7 equals 0. So this is the equation of the line that passes through whose y-intercept rather is -7 and whose slope is 4/3. So let's try to write that. So this line, the equation of this line is 4x minus 3y minus 7 equals 0. Alright, so let's have example number 2. A line passes through 1 and -4 and is parallel to the line 3x minus 8y plus 1 equals 0. Alright, so we are given of two lines. One is with the equation 3x minus 8y plus 1, all right, equals 0, and the other one is a line that passes through 1 and -4. All right, now but something that we need to take note here is that this line is parallel to the line that passes through the point 1 and -4, and since these two lines are parallel to each other, then their slopes are also equal, and so we can solve for the slope of this line And once we get the slope of this line, that will be the slope also of the line that passes through 1 and negative 4. So how do we do that? We simply have to transform this line in this equation into the slope-intercept form. So we would know the slope of the line that passes through 1 and negative 4. So how do we do that? So we can transform, okay, 3x minus 8y plus 1 equals 0 to y equals mx plus b, or the slope-intercept form. So how do we do that? So we have 3x minus 8y plus 1 equals 0. Alright, and so this will give us negative 8y equals negative 3x minus 1. And dividing both sides by negative 8 to make the numerical coefficient of y here equal to 1. So this will be negative 8 divided by negative 8. Alright, so this will now give us equal to y equals negative divided by negative. That will give us positive. So 3 over 8x plus 1 over 8. Right? And so obviously the slope here is 3 over 8, and the y-intercept is 1 over 8. All right, now let's now try to solve for the equation of the line that passes through 1 and negative 4. Okay, this time we're going to solve it using the point slope form. Okay, so let's have here solving for the equation. Okay, the equation of the line. So we're going to use the point slope form. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Alright, so we have y minus, our y sub 1 is negative 4. So we have negative 4. Okay, negative 4 equals, the slope is 3 over 8, the same slope that we have in the line 3x minus 8y plus 1. So this will be 3 over 8, or let's change the color. Okay, so this will be 3 over 8, right, times x. We have the x sub 1, which is 1 minus 1. Okay, so simplifying this further, we have y plus 4 equals 3 over 8 times x minus 1. So we can multiply both sides by 8. So we multiply 8 here, and we also multiply 8 here. And so this will give us 8 times y is 8y, alright? And 8 times 4 is 32. I hope you can follow. So I am referring to this one. 8 times y is 8y, and 8 times 4 is 32. And in here we have, since 8 here was cancelled, so we have 3 times 8. 3 times 8, 3 times x rather is 3x. Okay, 3x, and we have here 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. So this will give us, expressing this equation into the general equation of the line. So we have 3x, okay, minus 8y, alright, minus 3 minus 32 equals 0. Okay, so simplifying this further, okay, let's have it here. We will have 3x minus 8y, and negative 3 minus negative 32 is negative 35 equals 0. So this is the equation of the line, okay, that passes through 1 and negative 4 and is parallel to the line 3x minus 8y plus 1 equals 0.